Joe Basilino.
There he is.
Driving the 13 car from Highland Lake, New Jersey.
Right there.
Driving the number 78 car from Berkeley, New Jersey, Brian Demolition. From Lafayette, New Jersey, driving the 652 car, Harrison Sharpie. Driving the 0419 car from Highland Lake, New Jersey. It's a 2000 Audi, Kim O'Donnell. Don't keep too many of those down there. Driving the 50 car from Berkeley, New Jersey, Walter Brennan. Driving the number 0 car from Eastville, New York, Mark Lilly Jr. Driving the 727 car from Hawthorne, New Jersey, AJ.
That's Ricky.
Driving the 66 N car from Portland, New Jersey, Frank Blasol. Driving the 79 car from Wantage, New Jersey, Ken O'Brien.
Any relation to Dan? Boom.
Joe Basilino from Madison, New Jersey. Why does that name sound so familiar?
Joffrey.
No, Basilino.
Wait, no, Joffrey. They just said Joffrey.
I don't know, Joffrey.
I know that name though.
I know Basilino. I know it's Joe Basilino. From Eastville.
Now their crew goes through their safety check, making sure we're safe and sound. All right, we're ready. All right, Carl, let's do a big countdown this time. Start it out. Starting at 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Ricky! Why is he like barely moving? Don't tell me it's called. Oh! Hold this in view.
Yours is coming so clear.
Yours is
Did you get it? Oh, it's fired.
Oh! Really? You're not doing anymore?
Oh, he's done. Yeah.
Alright, take that then. No, I didn't shut it yet. Looks like he took a hit to the door.
But the tires go in.
No, I'm saying it looks like he got a hit at the driver's door. Sucks though. All that hard work. Yeah. I think he took a good hit to the right front. That probably A, killed the engine, and B, that's probably what got the tire off. I mean, the whole wheel is just like That was at the bumper.